Namaste. Hamesha khush raho betiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you transport of dairy product in and main dairy product types in food storage and transport engineering subject. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, transport of dairy product. The transport of dairy product must be in the food grade containers and just in time stuffing at factories and timetables respected. The container should be temperature controlled and shipment from all French and European ports. Products which can be transported are powdered milk, whey, casein, cheese, yogurt, cream, butter, liquid milk, etc. And they must be transported in a refrigerated container so that their quality of the food product is not deteriorated. And the ice creams must be transported in the frozen condition. Otherwise, the quality of the ice creams will be deteriorated. Then what are the different types of dairy products? Milk has been used by the human right for their earliest development. When milk is used in producing various other products, they are referred to like dairy products. Dairy products are rich in calcium apart from other nutrients and thus are essential for your development, especially during early convalescent years. Over the years, the sources of milk have been constant, like cows, which give the major milk production, followed by goats and water buffaloes. Even soy milk is being used these days. The soy milk is made just to mimic the consistency and taste of cow milk, thus sometimes just to enhance and mimic the taste completely. Dairy product is added to soy milk, making the soy milk itself a dairy product. First one is liquid milk. This is the milk that we consume and it includes various products like skim milk, pasteurized milk, toned milk, double toned milk, full cream milk, etc. Then fermented milk. When milk is fermented using other microorganisms, that products thus obtained in is called fermented milk or cultured milk. Various products fall under this category include buttermilk, sour cream, and regional drinks like dye milk and lassi, etc. Cheese is a dairy product which is produced by coagulating the milk, protein, and fat. Mostly, cheese is given a lot of importance because of its long shelf life, ease of portability, and high nutrient content. Some of the commonly used types of cheese are to us are cheddar cheese, cottage cheese, Gouda cheese, feta, and mozzarella cheese. Then butter. Traditionally, butter is obtained by churning whole sour milk and it has a lot of butter fat, which is solid when chilled and spreading consistency at normal room temperature. Scientifically, butter is a water oil emulsion with inverted cream. The various types of butter available are salted butter, unsalted butter, grass-fed butter, cultured butter, and European butter. Next product is ghee. Ghee is also known as clarified butter, and in this dairy product, the milk solids are toasted away from the fat. The resultant is the smooth taste of butter with the rich nutritional profile. It is used as a fat for cooking, especially in the Indian subcontinent. Ghee and clarified butter are all different types of cooking fat. Then condensed milk, when the water content is removed from whole milk or skim milk, the left behind the product is condensed milk. Most condensed milk is found with added sugar and thus at times condensed milk is referred to as sugar condensed milk itself. Evaporated milk is a unsweetened condensed milk. It is put in a separate category since condensed milk now is used interchangeably with sweet condensed milk or sugar condensed milk. Milk powder is when the water content of the milk is completely evaporated. Then the resultant powder or granular milk is called milk powder. This helps in preserving milk for a longer period and it is healthy and has all 21 kinds of amino acids and it is also easily available. Then yogurt, it is made when milk is fermented using bacteria, namely lactobacillus, and yogurt is considered extremely nutritious and healthy for us. It is available in flavored form also. Then ice cream, it is rightly said we do all scream for our favorite ice cream. Ice creams are made from milk too, and though its production uses other products as well as most of them are dairy products. Then desserts, many desserts in various parts of the world are made using dry dairy products, and the most famous ones are cakes, pies, kheer, shrikhand, Semifredo, etc. Then whey products, it is often referred to the part of milk which is left behind after curdling milk. For cheese, it is used in the production of whey cheese like ricotta, whey butter, whey fermented milk, drinks, etc. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.